Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a JKO HM4 dual arbor hauncher. Notice I said dual arbor. At some point in this machine's life, someone added dual 1.25" arbors. They are a total of 7 inches long. You do have 5 inches of flat. These arbors are 6.5 inches from the bottom to the top of your table. So from this tabletop to the bottom, you have 6.5 inches of stroke. You do have 1 pneumatic hold down. And again, if we come to the other side, you can see that other 1.25" arbor. This HM4 is powered by the larger 5.5 kilowatt motor, which is roughly 7.5 horsepower. There is a cycle counter. If you're wondering what kind of tooling they were spinning, this is really large tooling. So if you take a look at this, I mean, you're looking at a 18-20 pound cutter head. And again, this is the stack they were running on the right. And on the left, they had multiple different fences, and this is what they're running. And again, this is a single stack. So what they did is they had slotted fences and they were haunching multiple different things. You do have 2 arbor nuts, a couple spacers. The machine is quiet running. This is a momentary foot pedal. You simply have to tap it. Again, quiet running. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.